Hello everyone, and this is the midweek analysis for Bitcoin. If you're trading Bitcoin or buying Bitcoin and looking at the charts, if you're not looking at the charts, well, you might be wondering, is Bitcoin still bullish? You heard that it was dropping down a little bit. Well, no, it's still bullish. So let's go with our Bitcoin today analysis, and this is 27th of March 2024. And I'm Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. And let's go ahead and have a look at the chart. And what we see here is Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. And this is just earlier today as I updated my chart. And we see that we're bouncing around the $70,000 zone, which was resistance and has now become support. We're right in that zone, but it seems to be holding at 70,000. Now I did look at it an hour or two ago and we dropped a little bit below 70,000, but then it's back up above. So it's right in that $70,000 zone. So what have we seen over the last few weeks? Well, this is the daily chart, and everybody remembers that run up that we've had, okay, from about 40,000 then up to 52,000, stayed in that zone for about 10 trading days, and then just shot up like a ballistic missile, went up to 70,000. And then finally up to almost 74,000 on the 14th of March. And that little gray line you see there is my alert that I have in place so that I'll be notified when it hits 74,000, which could happen very, very soon. But let's look at the daily chart more recently. And this is what we have here. We did almost got to 74,000 and then started to fall down. And you can call that whatever you want: consolidation, accumulation, profit taking, pullback, correction, okay, whatever you want to call it. It's nothing unusual. It happens with everything. Currencies, commodities, it doesn't matter what you look at in the market. Everything does this. Of course, Bitcoin makes big moves when it moves. We had a drop of about $11,000 in just 7 days. And then you see that big green candle there, it moved up $7,000 in 1 day. Okay, that's just the way Bitcoin moves. But now we're starting to stabilize around the $70,000 area, as I said. So we should be moving up if 70,000 will hold as support, and we'll start moving up and maybe go to 74,000 by the end of this week, or certainly within next week. That's what I'm expecting. So I hope that you are investing in Bitcoin. Invest like I do with DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. If you just have $20 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month, just buy a little bit of Bitcoin as an investment in a digital asset for your future. Something that you can hold on for 4, 5, 10 years and is going to turn out to be very lucrative. It's very, very easy to buy Bitcoin. You can buy with an exchange. There are multiple wallets available as apps for your phone. Trust Wallet, Zingo, MetaMask, those are just a few that I use. But remember that these wallets are not self-custody. In other words, you do not have control, and you could lose your money from these exchanges if you keep it on there. So if you start to accumulate a substantial amount of Bitcoin, then it's best if you move it to what we call a cold wallet or a hardware wallet. And that is for self-custody. That means you own the bank. All right, nobody has access to your Bitcoin. And it's called a crypto cold wallet or hardware wallet. And one that I use and recommend, it's the latest, greatest, and state-of-the-art, is Tangem. And if you want to find out more information about the Tangem cold wallet, you can go to tangem.com. And it looks something like this. It's credit card size. It comes with a 25-year guarantee. The security chip inside the card is the same as in your passport. It's the latest and the greatest. It's the GOAT of cold wallets. All right, so if you have a look at the website and you decide you want to buy the Tangem cold wallet, be sure and use the discount code that I've given you below this video. It's in the link. Just use that, you'll get a 10% discount. All right, so if you want to learn more about cold wallets and hot wallets and how I invest in crypto, I do have this video on my YouTube channel called Is Crypto for You, and how to get started. So just have a look at that for more information. All right, I wish you all the best for your trading this week. Remember, I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't buy and sell Bitcoin. I just buy Bitcoin as an investment for the future. and I hope you're doing the same, because it's going to turn out to be a very, very lucrative digital asset. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and this is Rick Ray signing off.